Set your Instant Pot to saute and give it a minute or two to get hot. Add 1 pound of lean ground beef or Italian sausage. Cook the meat and break it up. Once it's almost fully cooked, add seasoning. I added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Once the meat is cooked, turn the Instant Pot off and drain any excess grease if needed. I didn't have much, so I just swabbed the bottom with paper towels. Now add 16 ounces of regular spaghetti pasta. Make sure you break the spaghetti in half so that it can fit in the Instant Pot. Also, make sure you crisscross the pasta so that it's less likely to clump up. Some clumping is normal, but this will minimize it. Then add 24 ounces of your favorite spaghetti sauce. Next, add 36 ounces of water. I just fill the spaghetti sauce jar with water 1.5 times. And finally, add a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes or tomato sauce. If needed, push down the pasta to make sure it's submerged in the liquid. Put the lid on and set the vent knob to the sealing position. Manually cook on high pressure for 8 minutes. After it's finished cooking, carefully do a quick release. Once the silver pin drops and there's no more steam, open it up. It will be liquidy, but that's normal. You need to stir the spaghetti really well to fully incorporate everything, and then let it sit for a few minutes to thicken. It will be extremely hot. Then it's ready to serve. Please consider giving the video a like, and thank you for watching.